Moreh Dagi Churachandpur drug Pusillakli amadi Kwaktada naha chadra humbura rom drugs yenaduna chauna chaiting fangli solaga fau chanaduna drug kilan chatharakli haina Chief Minister na phongdokhrei malingi mafum khudingda pangthoknabagum Manipur da state ki thakta world drug problem persisting issues new challenges innovative responses haiba wakalonda International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ki thoram pangthokhrei Social Welfare Department Sinduna Palace compound lebe Imphal da City Convention Center dangasi pangthokhiba thoramaduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Social Welfare Department ki Commissioner Robert Singh Khetrimayum amadi Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim na sarugyaki. Thoramadu ki madung chana department na Nisadagi ngakthoknaba amadi mipung khuding wakhal taminanaba paikhatliba demand reduction ki thabak thoram singi matangda short video amasud ki loina Chief Minister na luchingladuna aikoi khudingmak nisadagi lapna leirasi amadi punna thengna minasi haina wasaklomina ki Thoramadu Gamari Lainana Yumnam Khemchand makha taraduna drug state asida ngalingai matamda heroin powder hairaga matamadu ki paisa paiba imungi macha singna sijinarami matamna honglakpadagi lamdam asida irang thoklakpadagi drug trafficking asi Mizoram da hongkibagum tawrei state asida sijinanaba drug Moreh dagi Churachandpur da yaurai amadi Kwakta na khwaidagi chawna chaitheng phangli Kwakta gi CSO singna phongdorakpagi matungina makhoigi naha chada humbudra romdi drug sijinare hairaki drug yoliva singna Yon badanatana ngasidi drug sodhalaga fawba chahale Kwakta da drug yorakpa sina thangnana leiba mafam singdasu laina yorakpa haibasi laibak thibani drug leitaba lamdam ama oihanana bai khoi khudingmaki thodang chawi lengaki mari leinaba singna inthoktuna thamba khaktana yaroi lekai ki club CSO lup khudingmak na hona minasi maruoina naha singna sana khona bada pukning changduna nisadagi lapna leinana ba hona minasi haina phongdokhi
Manipuri conflict situation se thokraba matung sidaramu drug traffic se maximum asoba volume se Mizoram lomdam divert to pai tawi aduga machit chana bala kosina kogi Moreh dagi PMJSY na semgi balambi Churachandpur taba adu yorakan da Churachandpur sida marang kaina phangna masigi saithing si khwaidagi nangnaba Manipur gi Kwakta na phangba hoy Kwakta gi CSO NGO gam agdala ami Wari Savada, my assessment that maybe 70% of the youths drug scenario. Drugs see masa karwa tolising sina. Case the labor daba, short lagabo bizarre. Pasako na piu, sawai. Drugs is seen handbagi lana suyawi bakusida. As you am like giving. By tuan pe agency sina. Akan mumong di angelaga, pana body paso pai.